Congress Rajya Sabha MP Mansoor Ali Khan has accused the union government of withholding 2,572 crore rupees spent for Karnataka's rural local bodies under the 15th Finance Commission and said he would continue to raise the issue in Parliament until the state receives its full allocation. In a post on X on August 4th, Khan said his 0-hour notice, which was admitted for discussion in the Rajya Sabha, could not be taken up because the House was adjourned. He said he would raise the matter again in the coming days. According to the notice submitted by the MP, Karnataka was allocated 2,572 crore rupees in 15th Finance Commission grants for rural local bodies for 2025 to 26. But the centre did not release any portion of the amount before the award period ended. The notice mentioned that Karnataka had submitted all required compliance documents and responded to every query raised by the union government, yet no funds were released. Khan added the Union Finance Ministry had informed the Rajya Sabha on July 21st that no grant was released because it had not received the required recommendation from the concerned Union Ministry. He further said that on July 22nd, the Union Ministry of Panchayati Raj referred to unspecified unmet conditions but did not identify any specific lapse on Karnataka's part. He argued that the centre had failed to clearly explain why the funds were withheld despite the state's compliance. In his social media post, the Congress MP said that the BJP-led union government had released not 1 rupee of the allocation and urged it to identify where the process had failed, fix accountability, and restore Karnataka's full entitlement. The dispute comes amid a broader political confrontation between the Congress government in Karnataka and the BJP-led centre over financial devolution and grants. The 15th Finance Commission recommended grants to strengthen rural local bodies, with funds intended for civic infrastructure, sanitation, drinking water, and other essential local governance functions. It has an impact on over 6,000 panchayats in Karnataka.